Welcome to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this video, please hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that what I'm sharing is based on my personal experience using the platform. Today, we're exploring Unifimoney, a platform found at www.unifimoney.com. This platform aims to provide a comprehensive financial solution, bringing together various aspects of personal finance management into one convenient location. From checking and savings accounts to investing in robo-advisors and even cryptocurrency trading, Unifimoney seeks to simplify your financial life by offering a centralized hub for all your monetary needs. The allure of having everything in one place is undoubtedly appealing, eliminating the need to juggle multiple apps and websites for different financial tasks. Unifimoney's approach is to streamline the user experience, potentially saving you time and effort. Imagine managing your daily spending, growing your savings, and investing for the future, all within a single, unified interface. This could be particularly beneficial for those who prefer a simplified approach to managing their finances and are looking for a one-stop shop to handle everything. However, it's important to carefully consider whether this all-in-one approach aligns with your individual financial goals and preferences. Consolidating all your financial activities onto a single platform can be convenient, but it's essential to ensure that the platform's features and offerings fully meet your specific requirements. It's also wise to research and compare Unifimoney with other available options in the market. Look into the fees, features, and security measures of similar platforms to determine if Unifimoney offers the best value and protection for your money. Before committing to any financial platform, it's crucial to thoroughly understand the terms and conditions, as well as any potential limitations or restrictions. Doing your due diligence and making informed decisions is key to ensuring your financial well-being.